A customer might be wearing tattered clothes, filthy clothes. So I don't know how one city crowd now. Respect them. It's not about what the business you are doing, it's about relationship. No matter who visits your shop, no matter who visits your office, no matter the status of who you are, respect the people in front of you. And I'm telling you, those customers you see them in filthy clothes, those customers that you see them in tattered clothes now, they are the people who give you more money. One client can give you more than 7 customers. Forget the celebrity customers. Forget those people who come to your office driving flashy cars. The positive side of the Shatawale Tuesday market. You see, this thing that the movement is doing, it's not a joke. It's not a joke thing. It's not something fun. It's really building homes. This thing that the Shatawale movement have started, it's really building homes. It's really encouraging young guys out there. So today I'll be giving some few tips that will enhance your sales effectively and efficiently. First of all, let me give you a small explanation of the Shatawale Tuesday market. So this thing that we've named it wrap up. This thing that we started Shatawale Tuesday market, people don't really get the understanding of the Tuesday market. Yeah, the whole thing is has Shatawale has they climb no. He don't want to climb alone. You see, a good leader always want to set a good example for its followers. So he is doing this Tuesday marketing to enhance his followers' business that they are doing, to enhance their business sale effectively. So you don't necessarily have to own a shop or have office space before you can participate in this Tuesday market thing that is trending. Every Tuesday we see it's trending. So let me start by the guys who don't have a shop. You are a guy, those guys out there, you don't have a shop, you don't have office space, but you don't know how to participate in this Tuesday marketing. You see, let me tell you something. If you have a friend who owns a boutique, if you can even go to the boutique, take pictures of the nice dresses that it's in the boutique. You can even take nice pictures, ask of the price from the boutique owner, and make sure the boutique owner should be a friend. Yeah, and you can post those pictures online. So you don't necessarily have to own a shop. You see, I've seen a lot of guys they don't even have a shop. They go to people's shop, boutique shop, and they'll take pictures and they'll post it online. Definitely you get someone who will be interested in the shirt or dress, what shoe, what have you. The person can make payment. You understand? Then you go to the boutique seller to get the dress, the shoe, or what have you, to go and give it to the person, and you'll be making small money from it. So this is one tip that I'm giving you. It's not, you don't necessarily have to own a shop. You don't necessarily have to own a shop. So like I'm saying, you know someone who owns a boutique. You can go to this person, talk to the person. Okay, this is what I want to do. I'll take pictures of your nice dresses, your shoes, your belt, what have you. I'll post it on social media with a price tag. So when someone is buying it, I'll come to your shop and get it. I mean, who wouldn't agree with this? Because obia pese on ton idea. So if you come to maybe I'm a boutique owner, you come to my shop and you come and discuss this with me. I mean, I also want to enhance my sale. So definitely I will agree with you. My guys, the Tuesday market is real. People are really selling. People are really buying. So it's a buy and sell something. So about the shop thing, I'm telling you, you don't really necessarily to own a shop. You don't have to own a shop before you can start a business. Go to someone who is into the business. Take the clothes, take pictures, post it online. Definitely when you go for 1 or 2 be better. So as you are selling, definitely be making profit. Yeah, and the shop, and to those of us who have some money, who want to start our own shop, let me tell you this. You see, if you want to get a shop or office space, you don't necessarily have to get a prime areas. Prime areas are very, very expensive. Like East Legon, Cantonment, Labadi, Osu. There are certain prime areas. Their office space are very expensive. You don't really need a luxury place. You don't really need a too flashy and luxury place before you can start this business. You see, when you are going for these prime areas, let me remind you, you'll be spending a lot of money. You spend a lot of money to rent the office space, because if you want to rent a shop, you won't get it less than 2 years, 3 years. Most of them is going for 5 years. Most of them is going for 7 years, 10 years. When it comes to your shop, office location, be very, very careful in your selection. Make sure you get a place that you can afford. Make sure you don't go for a certain budget, so that some friends know say, hey, where they in the shop or East Legon, hey, where they in the shop or Cantonment. I mean, it doesn't really say anything about you. You are a young business person, you want to start a business. You don't really need a prime location to start your business. You see, the more you put into the shop, it becomes a liability. A liability is a comwa embassy. What you say? So it's about you delivering a good work. No matter where you are. And then people are selling online. More than 40% of these business guys you see online, they don't even have a shop, they don't have an office space. I mean, they are online and they are selling. So let's try to build on it. Make sure when you're renting a shop or office space now, you rent according to your budget. Don't go beyond your budget. Luxury and prime areas don't sell. It's about your goods that you are going to sell, the quality, how you are, the branding, and what have you. So when it comes to shop selection now, you have to be very careful, and we take it from there. And about the second tip I want to give you is your goods quality. The kind of goods and services you want to give, how quality are they? Is this something that when someone patronizes you, the person will go and come back again? You ask yourself, is it today, because of quick money, we do business that we don't focus on quality. Obiaba okwa ombebium. Let's do business obiba. The person will bring you a referral. That's how we do business. If you want to be successful, focus more on quality than quantity. So when you focus on quality, obiba unchenya, definitely all cordon. So on babak bium krana or very fair obi at the amount. So let's focus more on quality and our services. The thing we are doing here, let's be genuine in our business. Ulim say I do we are old common guy we know. Ulim say the quality is even low. If the goods is inferior, sell it according to the price. But some of us, I didn't hear now. The kind of price we price our goods, it's outrageous. Is that how we want to do our business? Are we doing a business say is that what most of us, that's what we are doing? Because what all that we are selling, they are inferior goods, and they are all expensive. Guys, it will be very good if we are selling and selling of goods and rendering services. You know, let's focus more on quality. And I tell you, when we focus on quality, in features, you know, because quality comes with expense. Until the more it's quality now, and I tell you, the world is changing. People are focusing more on quality than quantity. You see, say a quality na ni bread in kakra na, or tokra na, a chairman na, on himself or chine bikra na, or be samba bio, no china one bakra na, or bet me referral movie. So that's another tip there. Into customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is one thing. I mean, your customers that come to you, at the end of the day, you know, are they satisfied with your service? You see, it's like some of us, no matter how we sell, no matter how much money we are making at our workplace, we have to ask ourselves, is our clients, our customers, are they happy? Are they happy with our services? Are they happy with our services? Because some of us, because of money we are making and even the customers we are getting, some of us, because of the money we are making and the customers we are getting, we think that is enough. You see, most of us, where we are, that's not where we're supposed to be. We are supposed to elevate to different level because we feel comfortable. We feel comfortable at wherever we are now. The stage we are now, we feel more comfortable. And it is not the good thing to do. We are feeling too relaxed because we don't satisfy our clients, our customers efficiently. I mean, we don't maximize their satisfaction. Or about chenkrana, I mean something small because of background. The way the customer bekasa, how you talk to customer, or the customer kasakrana or bogim, or the customer kasakrana or at the fufro, or on the computer so, or on the phone so. And see, the person is not paying attention to what the customer is saying. And see, I mean all of us, you call baby, and you are not being taken good care of now. Into such crana or beba now on bar go different place because mind you, whatever you are selling, whatever you are doing, you are not monopoly. Whatever you are selling, whatever service you are rendering, you are not the only person who is doing it. Into say beba on chain na say on crocro customer beba on chain na on dead no customer ba on chain na on money ninja on ba on chain. The customer will find a different place to visit. So it's one customer satisfaction. It's a key element to with the young. The person is rather focusing on or shop cannot be doing come phone. So I mean, you don't do that. A customer is in front of you and you're on your phone doing different things. It doesn't work. It doesn't have to work like that. And truthfulness and transparency in our dealing. Most of the business that we are doing, normally the things that we are doing, in our dealing. I mean, our business is full of lies. Our business is full of deceit. Our business is full of bias. We don't tell the kind of truth. Color red. Then you keep telling the customer, say, when you color red, color blue. Well, said, the call, you think it's not about the money you make today. Often said next time, I'll about champion, and now next time, I'll refer. You see, there's one key thing that young business guys we fail to understand. We don't know the power of referrals. There is something that we call referral. There is this powerful thing in referral. Let me say, one client can give you more than 7 customers. Just one client. So it's about how you take care of the client. And then I'll be your call. And I said, I'm for being here. I'll be catching down and say, oh, go to this place, go to these people. They are very good in their dealing. I mean, if if you are not being truthful in what you are doing, you are not being transparent, you are not being fair, especially when it comes to pricing. When it comes to pricing and the goods you are selling, the quality wise, only say ade a o ton no quality wise no e will form. Sell it according to the price now. Reasonable price. But also when say ade na o ton no, the price is overpricing. Meanwhile, goods now o ton no, if you offer goods by 2 cedis, it's okay to make profit. It's okay to make profit. But if you are overpricing now, what will you gain? What will you gain? According say today landlord for now they are the amount of rent that people are paying overpricing. Which means single room chamber and hall near say 800. Unama chamber and hall near the G 1,500. Chamber and hall. What are we getting? What are we fighting for? Intama BPI ama uwakra na where to sleep is a problem. Uwakra na where to sleep is a problem because the single room you want to go and rent, the single room is going for 800. Single room is going for 1,000 because if you need a sound place to sleep and now you have to budget above 800. Yeah, because chamber home kwana to be renting. So when it comes to truthfulness, transparency, and fairness in our dealing, young guys of today, because of profit maximization, our dealings are full of deceit. Our dealings, there is no idea of truth in our dealing because we all want to make profit. I don't know yet. A cry, I see a B cry, I see a C, which is not good. It's not helping. So lastly, let me talk about the respecting the clients, your customers. You see, no matter who visits your shop, no matter who visits your office, no matter the status of who you are, respect the people in front of you. Respect the people in front of you at all times, no matter who they are. So I did not bet on or bet I didn't want to see this crowd now. Respect them. Forget about who you are. Forget about who is sitting in front of you. Respect your customers at all time. Respect your customers at all time. You see, it doesn't matter. Say you are driving, customer no ban so 90. A customer might be wearing tattered clothes, faulty clothes. So I don't know how one city crowd now. Respect them. It's not about what the business you are doing. It's about relationship. It's about relationship you are creating between you and the customer. So if you are not respecting your customers now, you are driving them away. I did one city put no auto. I didn't know say one city poor. But some of us, we get to certain level in life. Our respect to certain customers, who your customer now bar, your share. We'll look at you before we give you the kind of respect you deserve, which is very bad. And I'm telling you, those customers you see them in filthy clothes, those customers that you see them in tattered clothes now, they are the people who give you more money. Forget the celebrity customers. Forget those people who come to your office driving flashy cars. Those customers who wear the tattered clothes, they are the people who bring you the money. So today is Tuesday. It's Shatawale Market Tuesday day. This is the small tip that I'll give you to enhance our sales effectively and efficiently. Now, let's try these few tips that I've given you, and our business will never be the same. Let's keep doing the good work that we are doing. Young business guys out there, you are doing very well. Keep doing what you are doing. Be truthful in your dealing. Be very fair and transparent in whatever you are doing, and the good Lord will bless us all. Thank you very much for making time to listen to me. I am Patrick Mensah, CEO of PMN Group of Companies. Thank you.